called by the municipal commissioners or MBMC officers to come near the STP. And what we found was entire gutter water which was dumped into the STP was again going reverse back from the STP into the main nala from where the entire water is being dumped into it. Now, when we went around and checked the well, the entire well of the STP is filled up with garbage from the gutters, wherein gutters from a particular area in a location has been a pipe has been put from the gutters into the manhole. Now, not only it has done a big harm by making the entire mess of the STP, because the entire well is filled with garbage. I mean, the STP is supposed to be cleaning underground sewerage. It's an underground sewerage system where sewerage from all the buildings is collected, treated, and the water can be reused, or it has to be the treated water has to be left out back into the gutter, removing the sewerage. But what has happened is entire garbage is into the STP well. Now what the STP guys told us was 3 motors of the STP got burned because of the garbage. First thing is, as what we understood from the MBMC, it is illegal to directly connect a gutter to a STP. No, we are not talking about the legality or illegality part of it. The basic part is, when the MBMC officer called, they called up to come and check because complaints were filed by me, wherein because of waterlogging there was a major issue. So for that they had called and showed me what has been done at the STP, or what has been done with the underground sewerage due to which the STP is suffering. So there is nothing which we are pointing out at for somebody else. This is Pradeep Bhatia for the Voice of Citizens.